How hard can it be? Microsegmentation, Cisco Secure Workload. Now we're going to show you agent deployment in a Kubernetes environment. This is going to be a quick one. All right, we're in Cisco Secure Workload. Let's go down to Workloads, Agents, and then in Agents, we're going to focus on Agent Script Installer. So select your platform, Kubernetes, and we can see the supported platform and versions. If we have a proxy, we can enter it here, and here are some installation instructions, so keep those in mind. Now, we're going to have to make one change before the installation, and that change is to go into /etc/containerd/config.toml. We need to edit that file, or else the installation will fail based on certificates. And what we're going to do is find the specific config_path and modify that to include the directory for those certificates. So we want to enter etc or /etc/containerd/certs.d. Now this has to be in the exact location I'm showing here. So once that's complete, we're going to go ahead and run the script. This is going to install the daemon set within our Kubernetes environment. So we'll go ahead and run the script, and we'll go ahead and get pods for all namespaces. And we can see we've got Kube System, Sock Shop, and Cisco Secure Workload, or formerly Tetration. You can see it's running, it's operating. We can see that when we dig a little bit deeper, and we look at the namespace specifically for Tetration or Secure Workload, we can see Cisco Secure Workload Agent. There's 2 desired and 2 currently in place and 2 ready and up to date. Now we should see these starting to come into Cisco Secure Workload. And again, like everywhere else, we can use this information to run application dependency mapping, build out our policies for the Kubernetes environment. Pretty cool. We could check the agent health and all the details around the agent installed on all of those worker nodes. And all we had to do was deploy that script on the master node and be done with it.